Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will explain the Samsung Good Lock tips and tricks for the latest One UI 8.5 version. So, I will explain the 5 different modules, important settings that will apply to your Samsung device. It will helpful to customize your Samsung phone using the Good Lock. So, let's start. First one is the edge lighting. So, to use this feature, make sure install the Good Lock module, Good Lock application on your Samsung phone. So, open the Good Lock. You can download Good Lock application from the Galaxy Store or a Google Play Store on your device. Now here you can find the list of different module or plugins on your device. So check for the edge lighting and download it on your device. So here you can find the edge lighting option or edge lighting plus on your Samsung phone. So add your own personal touch to your notification. So tap on the edge lighting on your device. Make sure install it on your device. Edge lighting feature is helpful to customize your own edge lighting style when you receive any notification on your device. By default, when you receive the notification, you can see the only edges color on your device. So in these settings, you can customize it your edge lighting style. So toggle on the option, tap on the set custom tile. Now here you can see the list of different amazing edge lighting styling effect you can apply. Like here you can see we add the custom wallpaper from your device, heart shape. You can see the music icon. Now you can see the list of different available icon when you receive the notification on your device. Here you can see the teardrop icon. So you can see the list of different icon when you receive the notification using this is lighting style. Star button you want to set, heart shape, you can see this type of. Also select the color you want or advanced settings to select any different effect. Here you can see the list of different effect how it looks if you want to set the advanced effect on your device on your phone. You set the edge lighting effect, color and advanced setting you want on your device and tap on the done option to customize the edge lighting effect when you receive the notification on your device. Second one is the theme park. You can use this theme park update to apply the amazing new 3D icons or a latest glass icon effect to on an app icon. So here you can see the default app icons. If you want to apply the 3D icon on your specific application or all application or apply the glass icon effect 3D glass icon effect using this latest theme park update. So open the again good lock on your device. Now at the top you can see the theme park option. So install it on your device. If you when you install it you can see the download arrow. You need to tap on it to install it on your device. So tap on the theme park on your Samsung phone to change the app icons. At the bottom you can find the icon option. So tap on the icon. In the latest update, theme park update, you can see this amazing effect called the emboss. Here we already created, but I in this video I will show how to create it. So tap on the create new in the icon. So tap on create new. Now here you can see list of different icon shape you want to set, apply to your application. So you can see the different icons, star icon, hexagon, square, round shape. So select any icon. So here we select the teardrop icon like this. Now tap on the effect option. Here you can find the glass icon effect. If you want to apply 3D glass icon effect on your device, here you can to set edge, light, also angle. When you select the angle, it will apply angle. Carefully look, you can see changes in the angle when you change the angle position. So adjust the angle position. Also change the background of a glass effect or glue effect you want. And the last one is the icon option if you want to change it. So in the effect you can apply the 3D glass icon effect. Also see the different effect like gradient dual tone, filmy grain. So first we apply the 3D glass icon, just adjust the edge, light and angle, tap and tap on the download arrow icon at the top, enter the name to apply the 3D icon glass effect. Now tap on OK button. After apply this glass effect, I will apply the amazing emboss icon that will apply the latest theme park update. So select the first of glass icon, tap on the apply button on your phone. Now it will apply. Now go to the lock screen. Now you can see apply the amazing glass icon effect to your Samsung application or app icon on your device. So this is the most useful and amazing app icon effect. Now again go to good lock theme park and tap on icons at the bottom. Tap on create new, and here in the effect you can find the new emboss effect. This is the only available if you install the latest theme park update on your device. So make sure theme park update with the latest version to get this emboss effect, also called the 3D icon effect. So here you need to set the strength, edges, make sure angle set to 45, or shadow you want to set on your device. Here you can, when you increase or decrease, you can see the shadow effect also on your phone. Now tap on again the download arrow icon, enter the name. So we enter the 3D emboss effect. So enter the name, tap on the OK button to download it on your device. After downloading, now tap on the emboss effect, tap on the apply button. It will apply to your, now here you can see how it apply this amazing 3D icon effect without any third party application using this the good luck theme park module latest update. So this is the second feature. Third one is the QuickStar. You can use the QuickStar module to customize quick panel on your One UI 8.5 you want. You can create your own quick setting panel, also color. So let's see how it works. Here you can see the One UI 8.5 quick panel. You can customize by tap on the pencil icon. Here you can change it to field shape icon like in the latest One UI 8.5. So you can adjust this type of quick panel, just long press it to move at the top. Also long press, like you can easily move anywhere. Quick setting customization. Now we use in this feature two module. So let's see how it works. First we set like this type of set, long press it. Now we move the like this. Now we set, tap on the done. Now if you want to change the quick setting tile, quick panel color, like if you want to change the volume rockers color different, Wi-Fi color different, this module color different, you can use the quick star module. So let's see how it works. So open the app drawer, tap on the good lock module. Now find for the quick star module, make sure update the latest version. Here you can see the quick star, redesign your own quick panel UI. So tap on it. Now tap, make sure toggle on the option. Now tap on the style your own quick panel. Here you can see the how it looks. First we show the default, like we select this option. So this shop theme is already uploaded, so we select this. Oh, we already apply all of this. So let's see, create a new theme. First tap on the plus icon on your device. Now here you can see the round shape icon, round icon on the device. So tap on it first on your phone. So we tap on this option. Now select the color you want to read, and like we select the green color, tap on OK. Now you can see green color. Now second option, again select the color, select blue color, this one, tap on OK button. Now tap on the volume button with panel, select the color. So we select color in the blue color, this type of color, dark green blue color. Tap on OK. Now you can see this type of volume rockers and dark mode color. So you can select your own color, tap on OK. Now you can see how it looks on your quick panel. Also change the color like this. Customize your own quick panel with the color you want on your device. So select the color on your phone. Now here at the top you can see how it looks in the dark mode or light mode. See the dark mode. Now tap on it to show the light mode on your device. So you can also customize like this in the light mode how it looks. Now go to the dark mode. It means dark mode and the light mode. Now also increase or decrease the blur level you want to set on the quick setting tiles. Now tap on the download arrow icon after complete it. So enter the name you want to set. Now tap on a OK button. Now set it. Just tap on it, and now you can see, just wipe down the notification panel, and you can see amazing quick panel customization with the color you want to set. When you tap on the light mode, it will change. So very important settings. This is QuickStar to customize the quick panel in the One UI 8.5 on your Samsung devices. Fourth one is the Pentastic, that will helpful if you have a Samsung S25 Ultra device. You can use this feature in the S Pen. So when we remove S Pen on my device, on my phone, when we touch here, you can see the heart shape icon. So by default, you can see the only arrow icon. If you want to change this S Pen to this heart icon shape, you need to use this Pentastic. So customize S Pen different settings. Let's see with. So here you can see how it opens when we upon air. So first open the good lock on your device. Now go back and search for the Pentastic option. Customize your S Pen. So search for the Pentastic. Now here you can see apply various styles to the S Pen option. So tap on the Pentastic. Now first here you can see the air command. When we tap on it, here you can see how it access. This is the default. You can select as a line like this. Here you can see how it access when you tap on it. Second one is the circle. Here you can see how it looks. Fourth one is the retro effect. How it looks when you tap on it. By default, this select. Now here we select the circle option on my phone. Circle. Here you can see the background, how it looks. So enable background effect if you want to apply. To increase or decrease the brightness like this, or blur effect you want on device. Now tap on a use option. Now go back. Now when you open open the S Pen or any other settings, you can see how it looks like. We open the good lock module again. Fantastic. Now tap on this option and you can see the changes on your device. So this is a default floating icon. Now in the pointer you can see the default option is the this. So now we can see change the pointer to circle. Now select the basic. One tap on use. So you can see the arrow icon on your phone. Now select the heart shape if you want. So we select the heart shape. Here you can increase or decrease use icon. Now you can see the heart icon shape. When you move the your S Pen, you can see the croco option. Also tap on use. Now you can see how it looks when you move your S Pen. So you can see the different option: cookie, Wobby, custom. Also select your own wallpaper. So tap on the custom. Select the photo from the gallery. Create as your own S Pen pointer. Also you can see the S Pen sound effect. By default, this option when you insert or remove the S Pen, use this sound. You can see the magic sound also. This, so you can see the heart sound, cockroach sound, Lisa sound, cookie, Bobby. This is the all different sound you can use when you insert or remove the S Pen on your device. So this is the all S Pen customization setting in the Pentastic plugin on your Good Lock application. And the last one is the clock face. So you can customize your lock screen clock style for different style. Also customize your own clock on your Samsung phone using this clock face. So first lock your Samsung phone. So here you can see we set this clock style on my device. If you want to customize this lock screen clock, the amazing effect, just tap and hold the blank space, unlock your Samsung phone, tap on the clock style. Now here you can find the list of different options. Tap on the style. Now here you can see the list of different available clock style. Now here you can see the list of different available clock style. This clock style is only available if you set enable the ClockFace module on your good lock application. So let's see first of all how to enable this clock style. So unlock your Samsung phone. Now open the good lock module and find the ClockFace. So here you can see the ClockFace option. Make sure install it. You can configure many different clock styles on the lock screen and AOD. So tap on it on your Samsung device. Now at the bottom you can see the face option, my clock. Here you can customize your clock face or a studio option. So different clock style available. So in the face you can see available all clock face on your Samsung lock screen automatic layer. You can also customize it you want on your device. Like we select this clock on your, now you can see how it looks. Also you can increase or decrease size, customize it on your phone. You can also directly change it by go to clock style, tap on a style, and here you can see the list of different clock faces style available on your Samsung phone. You want to set like this, so you can apply different clock style effect using this amazing clock face module. Also you can find different settings in the clock face. When you open it, you can see the studio option. Here you can customize it also. Like we select this option, just download this option, allow and install on your Galaxy Watch face, available for your Galaxy Watch face on your device, available with your device. Also my clock, tap on the create new. Here you can customize your own. Just select the style like you want to set different clock style on your phone. So select clock style type you want to show, clock, change the clock color, different clock color you want to set, clock minutes, also change clock minute color. So you can customize digital clock or any other clock style. Also tap on the plus icon to add the analog text clock image. If you want to add the image, like also from the gallery image, like elect this option. Now we add this option, so you can add image also. So you can see the different amazing customization way for the clock face and the good luck module. So this is the all 5 important Samsung good luck tips and tricks for the One UI 8.5 device. Which one is your favorite? Please tell us in the comment section. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.